the pond area is looking good. I just brought another, this first thing this morning, got another load of mulch. I think I told you the mulch delivered they were 2 weeks out, so I just went down to SBI in Santa Rosa and got, I think it's my 4th load, and I think that's going to do it. So anyway, yeah, that should be enough. And then if this is looking good, and then Jimmy and I, obviously we can keep this maintained all summer, no problem. It's just in the winter, I mean, I guess, you know how it goes. We get out here in the winter and we pull weeds, but I mean, they come, like this winter, they came all at once and there was just no way to stop them. It's just, we had to almost wait. I mean, it was so muddy, and then they came on, once that sun hit, they came up so fast and so thick. I don't know what we're gonna do, but anyway, we can talk about that, because we don't want to do this every year. Hopefully these things will thicken way up this year. They definitely look better than they did. A little thin in here, but they thickened a lot up there. Need to get in here and pull these cattails, which we will do. I'm gonna get another boat. That boat I had, that one I bought, was just a piece of junk, and it just started leaking and the bottom came apart, so I just ended up cutting that thing up, and it's in the dumpster over there actually in little pieces. But I saw an aluminum one on Craigslist. I'm gonna get just a little aluminum boat, not too big. That way we can don't have to worry about it leaking, and it's easy to move. I can pull that thing out by myself, throw it in the truck, take it down to the lower pond, because we're gonna need it down there and pull those cattails. So anyway, but the pond is looking great. I did treat it for the algae, and I think it's fine. It looks a little green. It looks real green from the house, but a lot of that is reflection. Seeing all the other green reflected in it, because you get down here and it looks beautiful. And I think we're all right. I think that treatment I did took care of it, and with the oxygen going in there now, I think we're good to go. We'll just watch it and see. But and if we need to treat it again, we will, but I don't think so. I think it's good to go. So anyway, they're going to be done here in about probably another hour or so. And they have a couple things up top they had to finish that they didn't finish. A couple of the faucets that need to go in. I need some pipes need to be buried and stuff like that, but looks good. And we're gonna go out. Oh, I didn't tell you, last week we went out, the weeds out back, those thistles. I cut a bunch of them, mainly over by the burn pile. There was just a bunch, and we cut them down and sprayed. Just cut and sprayed, so they won't reproduce. Tom was a little concerned. He's been really working on his weeds over there, and to have all those weeds going to seed and blowing over on his is kind of not right. So, and anyway, we're going to get all the ones around the barn. I think you mentioned those too, and just get those down, get them sprayed, just so they won't mature any further. And then, like I said, the first cool morning I get might be tomorrow. We're going to start mowing everything we can. The road's going to the yurt pond. Anything we can mow, we're going to mow, because the grass was really high this year and really dry. So, but I cannot mow when we wake up and it's 80 degrees. It's just no way. We've had a couple fires start around the county by people mowing, so we do not want to do that. Anyway, so yeah, as soon as we get a couple cool mornings, we'll get out there first thing and if it doesn't cool down, I may have to mow in the evenings or at night. I don't know. We got to get it mowed. So anyway, I'm sure we'll get a couple foggy mornings. It looks like the end of the week it's gonna cool down quite a bit. So okay, that's it for now, and we're gonna set a trap for that rat. I can't remember if, well, I didn't ask you if it's a big rat. Did you see him? Maybe if you could let me know. Did you see the rat, and is it actually a rat or is it just a big mouse? Because that determines what kind of trap I got to set up there. I'll probably just set both of them, the big rat trap and a couple mice traps, and we'll catch them.